So the Threads of MOIRAI is an installation that tries to recall the intricate delicacies of craftsmanship, especially through knitting, which is a fundamental human practice that has been done like since ages ago. So basically, what we're going to do is to put a user interaction close to the action of knitting, which has been done in a cyber-physical system or a robot that is responding to the user. So the user will be sitting here, as I am, looking to this computer. The user will be seeing that there is a white mesh on their face. And this white mesh is basically a program that is recognizing and measuring the distances in the user's face. Then we'll sell it to a machine learning algorithm that will put it into a classification to recognize whether if the gesture is the user being happy, sad, or surprised. Then with that, the colors that are associated to happy, sad, and surprised will they will move in this way, and this will pad the thread that's going from this part of the thread, and that will go into a knitting machine that is shown on